Welcome back to Ana's kitchen. Today we're going to make something that you can't eat. So remember, don't eat it. We're going to make slime. And what are we making today? This guy loves slime. Well, we've never made slime before. So hopefully it works. We're going to make fluffy slime. And you need the same amount of shaving cream and glue. And we're going to add the glue and the shaving cream. Okay, wait. I'm putting the glue in my bowl first. These, these strings look like little pieces of noodles. Like noodles. It just looks like noodles. Hey, it's my turn. It's my turn. Okay, wait. Aka's gonna finish her turn. Okay, you can help me squeeze. See, you wanna help? No. It's going hard. Stop that. Now I'm gonna add the same amount of shaving cream. It's not coming. Let's get it. Now we're mixing our glue and our solution together. Okay, Raka. You're welcome. Package. Now we're gonna add the coloring, my favorite part. What a mess, Arian. You better clean that up, okay? I'm not helping. Okay, I meant only a bit.
Oh, there. Touch it. Oh, go.
Come on.
That's enough.
Touch it. Oh, that looks like he's gonna make a dark light.
Oh, nice.
Green. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. You have to add 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of hot water. And then you have to add it in your slime little by little. And that will help your slime activate. Okay. And make sure no pieces of borax are floating up. Is it coming slime? It's becoming slime. A bit. So we added activator and look what happened. It made slime. Orange's gonna hit his activator later and look at this. Oh my gosh. That's a big blob. I think it might fall. Let's see. It's stretching. Okay. Okay, let's go in without him. And I added activator for him. And his slime turned out to be worked out to be slime. And I can't believe we made slime. You have to mix it until it doesn't stick. It's not that stretchy. But it is fluffy. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Can you hear that sound when I was stretching it?
Oh, wow.
So our slime is now ready and we have lots of activator left. So we wouldn't want to waste it. So we're going to put it in an empty bottle and we're going to tag it and write activator and use it for next time we make slime. And Arian, can you pick that up? His colour is really nice, I like it. Look how stretchy it is. I can't even stretch my arms even longer. It's so fluffy. Look at my handprint. Let's see. Look, can you keep your handprint in there? Look at that. I love making slime. If you need activator and your parents say it's too expensive, don't worry. Buy Borax, because the Borax, you can use 50 teaspoons of it and it's only £3. We still have leftovers from what we used. So you can make, I think 10 times of slime out of these 2 bottles. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Arian, say bye. Bye bye. Enjoy your slime.